Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a gift from Lion Brand Yarn. So let's get started. I'm Ellen Gormley and I have lots of unboxings. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Oh wow. Okay, so there's some really interesting things here right off the top. This is crazy Penelope yarn. I've never seen this before. 75% wool, 25% polyamide from the LB collection. Can you see this? It's like an inch. It's like an inch wide and it's a knitted tubular shape and it's absolutely fascinating. So I don't know what I would do with this. You would need a huge hook. You would need a crochet. I get it. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait a minute. It says it's superfine 1, which tells me there's a trick to this. I'm guessing, and here's another one. Look, start here. You know what this is? This is meant to be pulled apart and then reused. Okay, I think. I'm pretty sure I'm onto something here. So the Penelope LB collection. So I'm gonna take the label off of this one, and it says start here. So I'm gonna pull the label off. Fascinating, Lion Brand. Okay, so I'm thinking that they made this yarn and then they knitted it and dyed it, and then you get to unravel it and work with it so that the colors, that's exactly what's going on here. Ooh, that's interesting. Don't you think that's interesting? So it's a little bit tangled here, but it's okay. It's just one little tangle and I can get it undone because I am a queen at untangling. Okay, so then look at that. You unravel it and you work as you go. Wow, so it's knitted. So I wonder what would happen. This needs to be swatched, don't you think? So comment below what you think I should swatch with this. I'm untangling a little bit here because maybe I made it worse when I said I was really good at untangling and I actually made it worse. Oh, fascinating. That is interesting. So this is Penelope yarn. I have no idea how many colorways this is, but here's a nice bright rainbow one. And then this one is more of my high school colors, blue and green, with some white in there. I bet this would make something gorgeous. I don't know if they intended, oh, they have a hook label on here. I'm getting so excited. Okay, so I don't think these were intended to be socks, although they could be. Machine wash, cool, tumble dry, low. But it looks like it's telling us that it's a self-striping yarn and that probably because it's knitted in a tube, it's a really long color repeat. Fascinating, Lion Brand, very fascinating. This is Penelope from the LB collection. Okay, let's see what other fascinating things we have in here. We have two, looks like the same thing. Oh, no, yeah, Baby Boucle Soft. Baby Boucle Soft. So let's get you a nice close-up of this. Look at this lovely texture. It is very soft. It's very much like terry cloth, but it's almost like there's like little nubs on it. Can you see it there? And this is a very sweet little pink. Oh, okay, and it says, there's a little guide here with little icons that says that you need one ball to make a hat. I assume it means a knitted hat and not a crocheted hat, because we all know that crochet takes more yarn. And 2 balls to make a scarf and 6 balls to make a baby blanket. And I don't know, nope, there's no pattern on the label. Well, maybe there's something in there. There's some information in there, but there's probably patterns on the website for Lion Brand's Baby Soft Boucle. But for crocheted items, like even though you need 1 ball of this to make a hat in knit, it doesn't say knit, but I'm assuming it means knit, you would probably need more than that for a crocheted hat. And so here's a lovely pink color. This one's called Rose Ballet. And this one is the same yarn in a different color, and this one is called Cloud. Oh, it is very soft, and I do really like this kind of grayish blue color. it's gray, but it's not as depressing as like winter sky gray in Ohio. It's brighter and softer, and it's really lovely. So baby boucle soft, and I'm sure it comes in more colors because the picture actually shows like a lavender and a green and a white. So I want to check out their website and see what other colors they have in this. Okay, 2 more yarns. Are they the same? They are. Okay, so 2 colors of Feels Like Butter. Feels Like Butter. Lionbrand.com. That's really clever. They seem to be having fun with their yarns, don't they? So this color is called Ice, and it's a greenish color. It's a chainette, I think, type yarn. I'm trying, it looks like it, so I'm going to try and get you a close-up. It looks like it's a chainette kind of construction. It's not spun with plies. It's actually kind of woven together to make a single ply. And it is, again, it says 1 ball for a hat, and it says 2 balls for a scarf. And I'm assuming that means a knit, so you'll probably need a little bit more than that for a crocheted one. And they call it a size 4. They do have a crochet gauge on here that says 26 stitches and 19 rows to a G crochet hook. Looks like from the sweater picture that there's also a lot of bright colors, and here they offered a bright one. Feels Like Butter. Here's a bright color, the nice turquoise color. It's called Teal, and it's the same as the ice here, but it's just really lovely. And these two actually coordinate really well. This would make, so if you need 2 balls for a crocheted hat and only 1 ball for a knitted hat, like these would make a great hat, don't you think? Maybe there's some design inspiration. What would you make with these 2 lovely like butter? Feels like butter. And it does. It's very soft. It's almost suede-y, like it feels like suede, sort of. And it is a size 4 yarn, so very pretty. Very nice. I've never seen any of these yarns before, and I'm sure Lion Brand has lots of good stuff, but this is what they sent me to share with you. So please like and comment, subscribe, tag your friends, and tell me what you'd like me to try making with these Feels Like Butter Baby Soft Boucle in this fascinating Penelope from the LB collection of Lion Brand. Check out my other unboxings, and thanks for joining me.